everybody, today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sedicus 5th edition. This is question number 6.14 and the question is, series connected 20 picofarad and 60 picofarad capacitors are placed in parallel with the series connected 30 picofarad and 70 picofarad capacitors. Determine the equivalent capacitance. So just the problem is given, there is no diagram is given or no electric circuit is given here, so we need to draw. Before that, let's understand next problem. So we have two capacitors which are connected in series. Similarly, we have two more capacitors which are connected in series, and so this is your first combination, then this is your second combination, and these first and second combination are connected in parallel. Okay, so let's draw the diagram now. So this is 20 picofarad and 60 picofarad, they are connected in series, and similarly this 30 picofarad and 70 picofarad capacitors are connected in series, and these two combinations are connected in parallel. Okay, so now we need to find out the equivalent capacitance. So if you take this two first, this is your first combination, right? So for series connected capacitor, what is the equivalent value? It is calculated like this: 20 into 60 picofarad divided by 20 plus 60 picofarad. So it is 20 into 60 divided by 80. So this goes 4 times. So this would be 15. So for the first combination, it is 15 picofarad, right? Now go for the second one. For the second combination, if you calculate, it is 30 into, when you have them in series, right, here also they are connected in series initially. Okay, 30 into 70 divided by 30 plus 70, so it is 30 into 70 divided by 100, right? So you can cancel out these two, so this answer is 21 picofarad. So now let's have the equivalent circuit for this. So now we got this combination, that is 15 picofarad, which is the equivalent of this one, and this 21 picofarad is the equivalent of, series equivalent of these two capacitors. So now these two capacitors are connected in parallel. So if you have the parallel combination of this capacitors, just add them together. So it is 36 picofarad. Okay, so this would be the equivalent capacitance. So we can draw them like this. This is 15 picofarad, 21 picofarad, and its equivalent value is C equivalent, that is 36 picofarad. So this is your answer. Hope you have understood.